pitch y'all a situation here, okay? You're stranded on a deserted island. All you have is your laptop, FL Studio, and the stock FL Studio sounds. Damn! In order to escape this island, you have to make a good beat using only what you have. You getting off that island? You getting off that? I'd say about 78.6% of producers are not getting off that island. Me, however, that's just another day at the office. I'm out of there in an hour tops, okay? And you might not believe me when I say that, and this video is kind of here to prove that. I'm gonna be making a beat using strictly the FL Studio stock sounds. And this kind of video using only stock sounds to make a beat, like that used to be a challenge for me. It's not anymore. That's just life. All right, and this video is here to prove it to y'all. But yeah, I'm just gonna be making a beat using only the FL Studio stock sounds. We're gonna see how we do, and I do encourage you guys to go and attempt this challenge as well in whatever DAW that you're using. But without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so we are in FL Studio here. Do you guys believe that I have actually never used Flex before? The stock plugin Flex. So we're gonna start off with that. I heard that this VST is really good though. Nick Mira just made a video on it that I saw. We'll use this as a structure for the rest of the chords. Let's try some inversions. That's a cool little initial chord. Then we'll try a diminished chord. Nah. That works. What we'll do is take that last diminished chord, quantize it first, then do Alt R first. We'll randomize the velocities, and then do Alt S. Strum that thing. Put a little bit of tension. Okay, so we got this. Like some tropical little Tekka vibes or something. Let's clone this. I want to get a little bit more bounce to it, so we're going to come down to the root notes over here and then add some notes here. Essentially, what I want to do is find what chord this is. What chord is this? Okay, is this just F minor 7? Dun, 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 dun. Then whatever chord that is. Add a phaser. Let's go to the goat here. I have a like 1/4 of an idea. I'm going to route the music box and FL keys to a channel. Instead of adding another melody, I want to experiment with delay to try and fill in the melody. Then lastly, because I'm extra, we're going to render out the music box. And then we'll render out the FL keys too. Take this, edit it in Fruity Slicer channel. I kind of like where the chops are, because it gives like that sampled effect. We'll cut it like right there. Then like one more like right here. Then we'll split that by channel again. We have 2 new versions. What if we bing bong this and then bing bong that over and over? Tough. I like it. We finna render all these hoes out and then delete the consolidated versions and then delete those first versions and then pitch everything up because I want that pitched up effect where it kind of sounds a little like obviously pitched up. Like a little it's almost like an MP3 version of it when you consolidate it and then pitch it up. I don't know. It's like the quality kind of worsens, which I kind of like about it. Anyways, stock drums time. Start with this 50 Cent clap. but I'm only gonna put it on the last part. Then we'll get a roll here and then do a little triplet. Wherever the fuck I put that. We'll go to Edison, do a little bit of wave shape in here. Gonna take out a little bit of that tail. Then we'll put this on E3 mono, mess with the time multiplier. What kind of beat are we fucking making right now? Hold up. Oh, some jerk? Hold up. Kind of fade out. Just need to finesse this. That's our version of a hi-hat roll. I think we found the hi-hat. Lastly, 808. I think we're gonna go back to flex. I saw that they had some 808s in there. Little idea. I want the 808 to really hit like an 808 instead of like an 808 from a VST. So. I want that 808 fucking hitting. We're gonna put a soft clipper on it, then a soft clipper on the master. Alright, but in total, we got our full beat here. I'll lay it out so that we can listen to it together. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. This was just like a short little cook-up video, just using stock VSTs and stock everything from FL Studio. Just to show you guys that it is possible to make full beats and actually make good music using just stock VSTs and drums. If you did enjoy though, feel free to drop a like, subscribe, and you can tap in with me on Instagram too, @ProdLucent. But that's gonna wrap it up for me. I'm out.